Good day. So let's quickly design a restaurant flyer using PixelLab. So this is a flyer designed by Joshua on Photoshop. So we are trying to make it. Let's try to design it using PixelLab and see. This is a flyer actually. So you can actually see the flyer here. So the Canva that we will be using is, let's say the interface is, Canva is 1024 by 1280. So we actually know how to know the size of any flyer or any image. So I actually measured it using my PixelLab. I actually measured it using my PixelLab. So well, this is it. So first let me go and import some of the material that I will be using. This is a material, this is pizza. So it's actually among the materials. So I will leave a link to the material so that you can actually go and download. Let me just make this one to the back. So let me just do a kind of that. So I'll just create something like this and then increase the radius. Should I say radius or radius? Yes, this is it. So I will go to my color, and then for the color I will be using a kind of, let me just pick from the color picker. I will just pick this. This is the color actually, so I will just pick it like this. So when you notice this is not actually straight as you see, so I will just use where is my rotation? I will just make it to -2 and see. Yeah, this is good. So let me make it to the back actually. Yeah, so I will create another shape here at the top. Just make it like this. Let's see like this. And then for this I will make the radius to be, let's say okay, let's say 8. And then I will decrease the opacity, and then I will go and increase the stroke. Let me make the stroke to be 1, and then I will choose this color as the, yeah, here we go. So I will rotate it. I will rotate it actually to -2 also. So I will go to my eraser tool. When you look at this, you can actually know that some part of the things are actually being deleted or clean up or erased. Yeah, let me use the word erased. So sorry, let me just go to here and then erase some parts. So I'm not going to make it like, let me just make it like this. Yeah, this is somehow good. This is somehow good. Yeah, let me just use this. Yeah, let me use this. So I will just kind of reduce the size. Let me see. Size is good. Okay, let me just leave it like that. I'll just leave it like that, and then I'll drop this to the back like this. Yeah, to come down. Yeah, this is good. So the next thing that I will do is I will go to my gallery and import the background. So I actually imported this for the background. It's actually 2 backgrounds that I use. So I will just enlarge this, resize it like this. Yeah, this is somehow good. So let me just make it like this. So for this, let me make it to the fonts because we are going to use it. So I will also expand it, like increase the width and the height like this. So the next thing that I will do is for me to actually clean up some parts. So let me go to my eraser. Although I may not achieve it correct, but let me just try and achieve something like that. Yeah, something like that, something like this. Yeah, did this look good? Yeah, so I think this is good for me. Yeah, this is good actually. So I may actually play with something here. Let me pick some sticker here, and then I will use the sticker for something. Yeah, just the sticker. I just adjust it, and then I will change the color to be. Let me pick from the background. Yeah. Sure. Let me pick this. This color is good. Yeah, so I'm just going to like put it like this. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, something like this actually. So what I will do is I will just match all of them. Yeah, you just match them like this. And then what I will do is I will turn them all to the back. Let's see this one to the back first. No, let's see this one to the back first. Yeah. Then followed by this one. Like this, and then followed by this one. Yeah, so this is it actually. You can actually see how it has been done. So what I will do next is actually for me to let me do something here. Let me create a shape here. Then for this shape I will just put it at this axis. And I will increase the radius to 2, and then I will pick this color. And then I will go to my where is my rotate, and then rotate it to -2. I say -2, sorry, -2 like this. Yeah, something like this. So I'll pick this star and then sticker, sorry, and then for the sticker, sorry, did I get this up here? Okay, let me just pick it, and then I need it to be okay. So I will change the color to this also. Okay, not this. Let me pick it. Okay, let me just use this, and then I will increase the size here like this. Just make it like this. Okay. Okay, so there is something that I'm supposed to do here. It's just to like this. Yeah, something like this, and then I'll increase the radius to, let's say, 304. Yeah, and then I'll change it to black, and then I'll go and rotate it. Where's my rotation? Yeah, here like this. Yeah, just something like this. Yeah, so I'll make them into this. Copy it. Copy it again. Yeah, so something like this actually. So something like this. So I will turn this to the font like this. This sticker, you can get it right. So okay, this is looking somehow, so I just don't have to do this. I will just import something that is more clearer. Yeah, let me just go to my gallery and import it. So I will be using this. So let me just put it around this axis. So let me go to color and then change the color to this. Yeah, you can see this is more easier to use. So this is it actually. So what I will do next is, sorry, I touched it. Let me just, yeah. So what I will do next is I will just make this one to the font so that I can see all the things. Yeah, make this one to the font also. Yeah, so what is I have next is I'm going to like go to the text and write the text, sorry, and there's that. Okay, I will make it uppercase letter, and then I'm going to use a shape. Okay, a font called Bebas. Yeah, so what I will do is I will go to color and then pick from the flyer. This is it for the first one. Here, pick the top. Let me see, is it correct? Yeah. Okay, I supposed to use gradient. So this is it. First I'll click on this and then go to this. Yeah, for the first one. Then for the down one, I will just go to this and then click on the down stair. Yeah, this is it. So I will increase the size like this, and then I will go to where is my rotation? Yeah, to -2. Then I will copy it, and then I will write straight. Straight. So let me increase the size of this street because it's actually less than the other one, so I will just increase the size of this. So I will go to color and then gradient color. I will pick for the top, I will pick the top side of the items, which is this green, and then for the downside I will pick this orange. Yeah, so here is it actually. So I will go to inner shadow, sorry, yeah, inner shadow, and then create a kind of effect like this, glory effect. Yeah, and then for this one too, increase it, decrease it. Yeah, so here we go. So for the other ones, I think we can actually do it. So let me just go to this cycle at the downside. So for this one, I'll just create a shape like this, and then create another shape like this. I don't want the video to be that long, but it seems like it will be long. So I think this is the most, yeah. So I will match the two together. After matching the two, I will just go to color and then I will make the color to be like this, something like this. Yeah, and then I will go to stroke and then stroke it with this color. So this is it actually. So I will just create a shape like this. Sorry, create a shape. Create another shape like this. So that is it actually. Let me just do it so that I will not spend much time on it. Yeah, so you can actually notice that yes, I completed other things here. So I think I only did textures. I textured these shapes with the images that you can see. I know you know how to do that. And then for the fonts I use here is actually Montserrat, and then for here also Montserrat, and then at the top here is actually Montserrat. I actually did the difficult part. It's just for you to actually complete it. Thank you very much for your time. Do have a nice day. If you find this to be useful, please like, share, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can go along with our graphics journey. Thank you very much. Do have a nice day. Cheers. Peace.